Hi student, today I am going to discuss uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay. So uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So uniform motion is if an object cover equal distance in equal intervals of time. Okay, if the object cover equal distance in equal intervals of time, then that type of motion is called uniform motion. And non-uniform motion, if the object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then this type of motion is called non-uniform motions. So let's see an example. Suppose an object at t1 equals to at 1 second. Okay, at 1 second, if the object covers a distance of 2 meter, suppose, then and at t2 equals to 2 second, the object cover 4 meter. At t3 equals to 3 second, object cover 6 meter. t4 equals to 4 second, the object cover 8 meter. Okay, in this portion see, what is the time interval? 1 second to 2 second. Time interval will be 1 second. Yes, where time interval, that means delta t equals to 2 minus 1. This is 1 second. And how much distance is covered? 2 meter to 4 meter. Initially the object was at 2 meter. Now it was arrived at 4 meter. So distance covered 4 minus 2. This is 2 meter. Okay. So now from T2 to T3, 2 second to 3 second. Here also time interval is 1 second. Delta T equals to 1 second. Distance covered 4 meter to 6 meter. So 6 minus 4, 2 meter. Similarly, in this portion also, in 1 second it covered 2 meter. So in this example, in a time interval of 1 second, the object always covering a distance of 2 meter. That means equal distance in equal interval of time. So that type of motion is called uniform motion. Okay, and in case of uniform motion, velocity always remains constant. See, here v1 will be equals to how much? 2 minus 1, velocity equals to distance by time. So 2 by 1 equals to 2 meter per second. v2 equals to 4 by 2, 2 meter per second. v3 equals to 6 by 2 3 is 2 meter per second, and v4 equals to 8 by 4 is 2 meter per second. So in every case the velocity remains same. So this is a property of uniform motion, that in uniform motion the velocity of the object always remains same. But in case of non-uniform motion, velocity will not remain same, and here the object will not cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay. So suppose that t equal to 1 second, the object is at 2 meter. At t equal to 2 seconds, suppose the object is at 5 meter. 3 seconds it is in 10 meter, and this is 20 meter. So see, in this portion, when time interval is 1 second, the object covered 3 meter. In this portion, when time interval is 1 second, the object covered 5 meter. So here, where time interval is 1 second, it will cover 10 meter. So time interval is same, but distance cover are different. So this type of motions will be called as non-uniform motion, and here velocity will not remain same. Okay, so this is all about uniform and non-uniform motion.